Namaste people, welcome to my channel. I'm going to my Nani's house. It's really very super exciting thing for me. So I woke up early in the morning. It's around 4:30 a.m. As you can see, the light is really very dim. So I'm quickly going to be freshen up. So I'm here and done with all those things. Taking some almonds because it's really good for your health. Yeah, mask is really very important for me because it's not because of the pandemic, but I used to wear it earlier because of the dust and pollution. So yeah, it's my habit right now. Okay, I'm going to leave my hairs like this because it's wet a little bit, and I'm going to accessorize with some scrunchies because I love these. And yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. I'm waiting for my family members to join me, and yeah, now we are together. So now we are leaving, and we are going by walking through the main road. They will be taking an auto to just have a nice ride, and I saw a cute little dog there. Bye bye. Okay, so yeah, now we are there just waiting for the auto, and I hope so that I'll be getting that soon. And yeah, here we got it. Okay, so I got the window seat because I love that, and I have to shoot, so I have to show all those things. So it will be really tough if I didn't get that seat. Enjoy the scenes. The weather was literally very good. It was so soothing, and it was a kind of a long ride, but in an auto. And here it is, Ma Ganga. I hope so you know these all. And here I'm having my travel snacks. I'm literally a big foodie. I took a lot of biscuits, chips, and yeah, here I am. So it's our first stoppage, and we thought of taking some fruits for Nani. It's really very nice, and me still busy with eating. Okay, so here we are done with all those fruits. Now moving towards our next destination. Yeah, we took Toto, and now again those scenes. These are really mesmerizing. So I was really enjoying the view, and there were a lot of crowds because this is Banaras. Okay, so we are finally on the way of her house. So it took nearly 5 to 10 minutes to reach her house, and then we surprised her by giving a lots and lots of gifts to her. She was really very happy, and then we decided to have street food as our breakfast. Yes, we didn't do that in the home. So after a long walk, we finally found a shop which was open because almost each and every shop was closed at that time, and we are lucky enough to have those fresh food because uncle made it recently, and the dosa was really very tasty. Idli was for my mom, and dosas was for me and my bro and my nani, and it was really tasty. I loved it. You should also try these things. So yeah, it was all for this. We did our breakfast, and it was really very good. And after that, we decided to have a short walk and visit the ghats. As you can see, the view is really very good, and the water level is really very high because shortly it was flooded with heavy rain. So we spent some time there just looking the beautiful scenes and the rituals, and we found that a kind of a shooting was going on there. I was really very excited because first time in my life I saw that live, and I don't know exactly, but it was some kind of a YouTube shooting, like I was shooting. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, and here I did the tika, a kind of a ritual, and it was really very beautiful. After that, we went to a nearby shop where there were really good malas and bangles, all colorful bangles and malas. It was really very mesmerizing for me, and I bought something from there. And after that, we went to the shops, we looked for something unique things, and after that, we did some shopping, and now we are going towards our home. We found a unique shop where she is selling antique pieces, and it's really very good. We bought a lot of things from here. Okay, so now it's the next day, and it's the day of Moholea. It's the starting day of the Shara for Bengalis. So we decided to have a walk towards the ghat, and we came to know that it was a Pitr Paksh day where Hindus, usually men, come to offer the water, the holy water, to the ancestors to have their soul rest in peace. So that's why there is a huge crowd here. So we didn't wait there for a long time because it was a huge rush. We decided to have a long walk and see what all the things are there. It's literally 5 or 5:30 a.m. and there is a huge rush in the market. I was literally shocked because the place where I come from, there is a huge silence, but here, oh my god, but it's really very enjoyable. And here we are buying some veggies. In the nearby place there is a temple called Khichdi Baba. These people serve free khichdis to the people who come here, so yeah, we also contributed them in making the prasad. And after that we walked for some time, and then we are again back going to our home. And we had the breakfast, lunch, and we enjoyed a lot. We did shoppings and all those kind of things, and after that we spend a little time with all our family members there, and now it's time to say goodbye. I really love going to my nanny's house because it's super fun. I get to see new things each and every time I go there. It's really very enjoying going to your nanny's house, and I hope you all can relate to it. If you do so, please comment me down in the below that yeah, I love my nanny's house. So here comes the end part of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you do so, stay tuned to the channel because lots of new things are coming on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the notification whenever I post it.